अब तक ना मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन जब तक कि मैं कोई कूड़ा कचरा डस्टबिन में डाल रही हूँ मेरा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ख़त्म हो रहा है। मुझे पता नहीं था उसके बाद क्या होता है उसके साथ।
But who told tomorrow morning Manas is doing this?
Paper. No class.
Cool. But where is it? But where is it?
एक बार एक क्लोजअप में देखो यार, क्लोजअप में देखो ये शीट का उसमें क्या क्या आ रहा है? ओ इसको देखो कैसे डाल रहा है। But why are you wasting turmeric?
The turmeric was rescued, but that's just one of the exceptions. The reality is alarming, amounting to gigantic landfills. Most of us walk past these landfill sites, most of the times with a feeling of disgust. Sometimes we feel angry that the system is not doing well. Well, I'm paying my taxes. Where's my money going? Clearly, the government is not managing waste effectively. To all who think we don't have efficient systems, all we have to say is this. Look at these mountains of garbage. Do you think it doesn't have your waste? When was the last time you looked closely at your dustbin? Do you know that people segregating your waste are also people? So, the next time you throw your garbage, think about it. With waste in mind, waste sitters at Bhumi took an initiative to start with 30 days of waste challenge. Let's hear from one of the waste sitters.
Hi, so we recently concluded with our waste module. I feel doubly charged to create more awareness regarding waste generation and disposal. So as part of my real life project for the past 4 months, I've closely been observing the waste that has been generated in the hostel within the campus. While I'm so glad that most of us are segregating it well, but I feel there's a long way to go with respect to how much we are generating still. More or less the amount that we've been generating has been same or rather increasing over time. We also learned through the module that overconsumption is one of the reasons why there's so much being generated. So as part of that, I felt the first step is for each one of us to be aware of how much we are generating, because if we have that option to dispose it immediately, we are not mindful of how much we are generating and what is going into the dustbin. So as part of that, I thought we could do this 4-week challenge for knowing your waste, and there are 2 major aspects to this, like 2 major guidelines. The first is you will not be allowed to dispose your waste through these 4 weeks. So you have to store your own waste through these 4 weeks, and by the end of 4 weeks we'll all again meet and see what we've generated and just have a discussion on what could have been avoided and what are the alternatives and what had been the challenges, etc. So the second part is to make a list of products that might end up in a dustbin, say after more than a month from now. So for example, if you're using a toothpaste, so during this 1 month that might not end up in a dustbin, but that will end up in a dustbin after some time. So to be also mindful and make a list of these things, just on a daily basis, observe as to what could be landing up in the dustbin. So through the 4-week challenge of Know Your Waste, we are allowed to only dispose wet waste, sweet waste and hair waste. Rest of it we are going to store within our rooms. So yeah, we're just excited. Let's see how it's going to turn out.
Ready with your swimming costume? Let's dive into our experiences. Meet our Dabba family. We may forget our slippers, but never our dabbas. People do stare at us, but frankly, my dear, we don't give a damn. And sometimes we just go overboard. You will see what I mean. Let's check it out. Trust me, your granny was a genius. Straight out of Granny's box, here are some beautiful shifts. We all have heroes. Meet some of our composting heroines. Just remember, all shifts are beautiful. Yay! Time to hear experiences from our storyteller.
ओके इसमें हमें मॉनिटर करना है कि 4 हफ्तों में हमने कितना वेस्ट कूड़ा जमा किया है. सो दीज आर द चिक्की पैकेट्स. यहाँ पे जो बर्थडे में चिक्की बांटते हैं, हालांकि वो ऑर्गेनिक होता है, पर देखो इसमें ये प्लास्टिक लोगों ने खाया नहीं है, इसके लिए मुझे 2 मिल गए. दिस इज़ बैंडेड. सो आई वॉज थोड़ा इंजर्ड लास्ट वीक. ये तो अनअवॉइडेबल था, यूज़ करना पड़ा मेरे को. चप्पल टूट गया था मेरा, इसके लिए फेविक्विक. 1 साल बाद मैंने एक शर्ट खरीदी थी, उसके साथ ये 2 टैग्स और ये प्लास्टिक. और हम रेस्टोरेंट गए थे एक बार, वहाँ पे हमने उनको बोला कि नो प्लास्टिक प्लेट्स, नो सिंगल यूज डिस्पोजेबल प्लेट्स. तो हमने हमारे डब्बे लेके गए थे, बट हालांकि वो सैंडविच था वो ऑलरेडी इसमें पैक था लाइक दिस. तो ये भी मेरे को लेके आना पड़ा. एक चीज़ हुई है कॉन्शियसली, जो कि बाहर जाते हैं हम, वी कैरी आवर ओन टिफिन बॉक्सेस. सो कुछ पैकेजिंग का कचरा नहीं हो रहा है, और शायद हम कोई मैसेज भी पहुंचा रहे हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स तक कि हमको नहीं चाहिए. तो इवन मे बी दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग कॉन्शियस. दिस इज़ माई सैनिटरी पैड का. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि कभी इतना 4 हफ्तों का कभी ऐसे देखा नहीं था कि कितना होता है. एंड व्हेन आई सी दिस, इतना सारा मैंने किया है और पता नहीं इसको डिस्पोज कैसे करेंगे. ये तो डिग्रेडेबल भी नहीं है. तो अभी तो कॉन्शियस हो गई हूँ मैं कि मैं कम से कम कंज्यूम करूँ. बट अब की जब मैं देख रही हूँ कि ये सब मैंने जमा किया है और इसको कैसे वापस नेचर में जाएगा और नेचर के साथ कितना हार्म करेगा, दैट मेक्स मी अनकंफर्टेबल.
And the finale.
अगर मेरी आंखों के सामने है, so it's a waste. Once it moves away, it's not there, you know. And multiple places it happened for me. So thank you. I think it just pushed me to a lot of rigor as an individual. Do I really need the things that I'm doing?
What I realized was I could feel that, sorting that thing itself, which was my own generated garbage, we still have that, oh God, taking it all out from that and sorting it out, that, what do you call it, the feeling of not wanting to do it. Somewhere it was there even in me. I think I overcame it first.
So I'll start off with 2 major feelings that I am with at the end of this. So I'm really grateful and happy that most of us took the challenge seriously. I took a look at the bins almost every day that I was here, and it was really satisfying that most of us took this seriously, and the bins itself speak or confirm the seriousness of the participants. And day scholars also, they used to come and discuss their challenges as to no, my aunt is not allowing to keep the trash, store the trash, and for some of them it was too much to collect because they're collecting the family waste. So just the effort to come and discuss and not give up on the challenge was volumes for me. I think if more people are thinking in the similar fashion, that is what seemed like responsible community building for me. And yeah, that's very inspiring to take this forward.
We hope the time was wasted well. But it's high time we start taking ownership of our trash. On this note, we shall leave for our coconut ride.